All right, Adley, show me your fake sneeze. Good. How about your fake laugh? Okay, stop playing with your skirt. How about your fake cough? How about your fake sleepy? Oh, that's a good one. How about your fake cry? Can you give me your fake sneeze again? Well, that was a big sneeze. Anything else you want to do? Do you want to give your brother a kiss? I think he wants hugs and kisses from you. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that's very sweet. Oh, he loves you. Do you want to say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, A, U, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That's very nice. Is there anything else you want to sing? No?